Ja, vänta. Ja, jag har problem. Ja, men du skapar problemen. Jo, jag körde in i en rondell och du körde mitt framför mig. Ja, jag körde i 45. Jag körde i 45 där. Ja, jag körde i 45 där. Ja, jag körde i 45. Jag körde 45 in i rondellen. Okej. Okej. Ja. Okej. Ja, detsamma. Okej, jag ber om ursäkt. Ja. Ja, jag ber om ursäkt. Jag blev rädd och så vart jag sur. Ja. Ja. Okej. Ja. Okej. Ja, detsamma. Han blev trevlig här.
So, what do you mean tone it down? Tone it down when?
Tone it down.
It's loud. It's.
I know it's loud.
What do you,
Is that a centerized muffler?
it doesn't need to be. There's no law. No. I have an R1 too with big pipes. I have a bigger bike with loud pipes too. I've got kids as well, and I don't put nobody's kids at. Well, I mean, if you look, it's a small bike. It revs up high. It's just loud. Right? Yeah. No, and I live back there in the cul-de-sac. I live back there with the two little girls. A wheelie or something. Right, no, yeah. Yes, ma'am. And we're usually pretty chill around them. Like just yesterday, the kids, they were out there. They wanted us to pop little wheelies on it and stuff like that. So we were having fun with them and everything else. But yeah, no, I try not to speed up and down here. Absolutely not.
Sorry, mate?
What's your problem? Got a problem, have you? With me?
No, I don't.
Why give me the finger? Why come around me being stupid? Well, you got a problem. Sort it out now.
Well, I'm about to be run over by someone in the car.
I don't give a sort it out now.
Look, you're able to leave me alone, mate.
Well, why give me the finger? I'm fucking come
Hey,
around
can
me
you tell
stupid.
Roachie here to off?
That's my son you're talking about.
Hey,
I will give it to you. Cause I'm sick of it, right?
okay.
Drive past me because you've given me the
I didn't mean that, though.
Move!
What about me down there on Tottenham Road?
Great.
Yeah, great. Finger good on a motorbike, eh?
You mind?
Do you mind?
I've done nothing to you.
What? This ain't nothing. Coming around me stupid ain't nothing. Huh?
Call cops now. I will.
Pick a lane, man. What the f was that? Fix up, man. Look at what the hell's going on, man? What are you doing? Why are you reversing this? Stupid. Now what the hell are you doing, man? God, man.
Can I be your superhero?